All right, number 31 is asking us to use inductive reasoning, which means look at the pattern and from the pattern do your best to make a prediction about the weather. Lightning travels much faster than thunder, speed of light for lightning, right? Thunder travels at the speed of sound. So you see lightning before you see thunder. If you count 5 seconds between the lightning and the thunder, how far away is the storm? So let's see what happens, okay? If you were to count 10 seconds between, it would be 2 miles away. If you were to count 20 seconds in between, it'd be 4 miles away. 25 would be 5 miles away, and etc. Okay, so that means that it's, again, if it took 10 seconds to reach you and that was 2 miles away, it must have been 5 seconds for every mile that it went, right? So then 5 seconds for every mile that it went, that would make sense that 5 miles would take 25 seconds, okay? Vice versa. So, and also you can see that this is falling in a linear fashion. So from here, I'll straighten that end in a second. From there, you essentially get what you find out is that it's all falling in a line, and therefore our prediction that we make about, let's say, after 5 seconds, you're counting 5 seconds here, okay? So you, sorry, you would then say, okay, if I made that linear function running up there, that dark blue line, and I then say at 5 seconds I follow it up till I hit the line, and then follow it over, what value am I at here? And the value that you're at there, right between 0 and 2, is 1. So it would be 1 mile away. Okay? So you could say the storm is 1 mile away. Okay? Because they have a standard rate between, this light is traveling at one speed, sound is traveling at another, and they have a relationship like that. Okay? Yeah, I think that that's all you need to know about that. Just you can, from inductive reasoning, looking at the pattern, you can see that it's a linear pattern, and therefore you can make predictions in a linear fashion that would go up and hit that line, and that value would be there. Yep.